this month's video. Anyways, I'm doing her makeup blindfolded, and that's the thesis.
We're starting? We're starting?
Yep. I don't like to waste any time. I'm scared. Alright. Alright. Oh, this is scary. Alright. This is gonna be so bad. I wonder if that was enough. Blend the neck.
Yeah, because my face and neck are like 20 different shades of my body.
Okay, you know what? Concealer will fix it. This is so
You got my zit. You
Sure.
scratched it.
It just really bothers me when I watch these videos and they don't blend it out even though they can't see.
They do it because they're like,
Oh, I want it to be so funny. I want it to be so ugly
I
and
want it to look
hilarious.
so silly, or else I won't get views.
It looks so hilarious
Well,
when it's so ugly.
We know you're not going to get views, so we can just do what we want. It keeps you grounded, Dakota. You can't have 1,000 followers on everything.
1,000? I just want to blend for 20 years. Alright, trust me. It's going good.
Fan is blowing hairs in my nose.
No, that's my cat hairs on my brushes. Everything. Cover everything. Lock it in place. Alright, that should be good. Next. Yes.
Knock your phone off.
Contour. No bronze. These dimples. You're white on your face. You need to make you tan like the rest of your body.
I'm okay with wrinkles on my body, just not my face.
You think that until it's on your chest?
Until I get liver spots. Old people have, you know, they always have dark spots on their skin.
Is that what it is?
Yeah,
the from their liver?
spots. I don't know. I don't think so. I was gonna make fun of you, but
But why wouldn't it be?
we have lots of names that don't make any sense.
Yeah. Ain't that the truth? I'll have to remember that one. This is scary because this is a pretty dark color. Let's paint these apples, ladies.
Let's get these apples.
I'm annoying. That's wrong. That's wrong. I forgot what I was looking for. I have to go make things so complicated. See the way you're acting like somebody else gets me frustrated.
I don't think you sang the right lyrics there.
Shut up.
Life's like this here.
Avril Lavigne is dead anyway. She's fake.
If you believe that theory, you're done. That's all I'm saying.
Yeah, but look at the difference, you know?
Well, there is no difference.
Yeah, she's not the same.
They just found that's because she sucks now.
Okay, what do I want to do next? I don't want this. Why do I keep grabbing it? What's your brow?
Yeah.
I knew it. I could feel the hairs brushing back.
Embarrassing.
Alright, top left, second row, 4 over. If this is the right shade, let's see, I need to show the camera. This one is what I always use. It's what I think I always use. If I'm right, I'm gonna be shook. Please be right. This is not right. Alright, should I go for a darker eye?
Yeah.
Yeah, we need to see my actual skills.
Yeah, let's see it. Don't hide behind some soft
Safe.
neutral tones.
Yeah, we don't want to be safe. We want to be bold. This is gonna get my table so dirty.
If you're getting these brushes out of your crotch, I'm gonna get pink eye.
Okay, we're gonna blend all of this. This is the only thing that's gonna save this look today.
I used the wrong brush under your eye. You son of a bitch.
Oh no! What one did I use? What color did it have?
Yeah, which potty brush did you
Oh.
use?
Let's do a glitter eye. That will save the day. Just put like tummies on your eye. No. No. How painful is this to watch?
It's really bad.
This is the Big Daddy. Okay. This. Alright, let's go. Gotta brush out these brows. Nobody's gonna believe I microblade. Okay. I'm about to give up on these brows. If I come this way. That was probably a bad idea.
I felt that one. I felt that
That
one.
was, yeah, that
That
was
one was slicked.
I pushed a little hard. I'm just gonna stop while I have the chance. Okay, let's go. Alright, this is gonna save the day for your skin.
Pollution protection.
Oh my gosh, it's the best setting spray ever.
What does that mean? Pollution.
Like, it's against like nasty air. Like if you feel like the air's gross
Oh,
outside.
it protects against oxidation.
Nuh-uh.
Yeah.
Wow, that's the best thing I've ever heard all day.
That's why your makeup looks so good.
Yeah. Like, as soon as maybe I should do your lips first. I'm gonna do your lips first and black is probably gonna get everywhere. You're gonna look like Big Ann, rest in peace. That probably did absolutely nothing. You're not very good at that.
Sorry, my top lip's small from the time.
Smells dry.
My lips.
This lipsticks. Lick your lips if you want.
Okay.
Ew! Gross! Tastes like cum rag.
Eyebrow.
I give up! Why did I sound like Kronk when I did that? I give up! Oh, I'm scared. Oh. Okay, I think I finished. I'm scared.
I feel like I look like a crackhead.
Wait, I did better than I thought.
Yeah?
Actually, yeah. Close your eyes.
You can't fix it.
Oh my gosh, that's actually not that bad. I got a little bit messy with the mascara, but I thought your brows were gonna be so much worse.
I see them.
It looks like you just fell asleep, you know?
I look like
Like it looks like you went out on the town. And looks like you went out on the night on the town.
I definitely look like a post job hooker.
But for being blindfolded, the glitter, honestly, I did good on that.
It does look like it looks like I had good makeup
It looks like you
and I
had
fell asleep.
good makeup on the night before,
Yeah.
and then you got drunk.
Yeah.
You maybe hooked up with a few men.
Yeah. At least 3.
At least 3.
At least.
This
There's
is, we're
like-
doing a montage. Okay,
Okay.
close your eyes.
This is my
The
left
camera
eye.
like glitched on your tooth and it looked like you had a big leaf on it. That's all for this video.
Hope you've learned.
See you in 2 months. See that cockroach in that sink? It's disgusting.